If you look closely enough at the world around you, you start to notice something strange. Nature is lazy. It doesn't like creating new designs. Instead, it uses a single master blueprint, a code that repeats from the smallest atom to the edge of the observable universe. Look closely at these two images. One is the network of neurons inside your skull. The other is the cosmic web, the largest structure in the known universe. They are separated by billions of light years in scale, yet they are nearly identical. In 2020, researchers at the University of Bologna found something that defied logic. Statistically, they follow the same law of growth. This is the mystery of the fractal reality. A fractal is a pattern that never ends. No matter how much you zoom in, the shape stays the same. Our lungs branch like trees, our veins flow like rivers, and our thoughts, they move through a neural forest that looks exactly like a cluster of stars. This isn't just a visual coincidence, it's a matter of flow. It is the most efficient way for nature to move information, energy, and life. Why does a fractal exist? It's for optimization. In physics, the path of least resistance dictates that nature saves energy. Whether it's a river delta or a neuron reaching for a neighbor, the goal is to maximize communication while using the minimum amount of material. This is governed by a mathematical principle called the power law. Let's look at the data. The human cerebellum has about 69 billion neurons. The cosmic web has at least 100 billion galaxies. But here is the kicker. In both systems, only about 30% of the mass is actually functional. The rest is filler, water in the brain, and dark energy in the universe. Information flows through these networks in the exact same mathematical way. You wouldn't be able to tell the difference.
This brings us to flow. In fluid dynamics, we see the same spirals in a cup of tea as we do in a hurricane or a spiral galaxy. Even the smartest minds, like Werner Heisenberg, realize that this flow, this chaotic fractal movement of energy, is the heartbeat of reality. It's the bridge between a firing thought and a colliding galaxy. If the structure is the same, could the function be the same too? Integrated information theory suggests that consciousness is a result of network complexity. Are we living inside a mind, thinking on a timescale we can't perceive? To the universe, we might be the equivalent of a single firing synapse. You aren't just in the universe. You are the universe, experiencing itself through a human lens. When you enter a flow state, you are aligning your local neural network with the larger cosmic pattern. The same math that built the galaxies is currently pulsing through your thoughts. You are the master pattern in motion. If this journey changed how you see the world, join the flow. Thanks for watching.